Today, I am representing the article on occasion of Founders Day. Founders Day is an annual observance that celebrates the vision, dedication, and resilience of the founders who established and shaped organizations, institutions, communities.
उत्तराखंड को देवताओं की भूमि या देवभूमि के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। उत्तराखंड की सीमा हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, हरियाणा राज्यों से लगती है। तो आइए उत्तराखंड की प्रगति और विकास के लिए हाथ मिलाएं और आप सबको उत्तराखंड स्थापना दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
ये कविता का शीर्षक है देवभूमि उत्तराखंड। हम उस माटी के बने हैं जहाँ ऋषि मुनियों का वास है। इसे देवभूमि भी कहते हैं, ऊंचा हिमालय जिसका ताज है।
जिसका शीर्षक है उत्तराखंड हमारा। केदारनाथ और बद्रीनाथ, देवों का इस धरती पर वास, पवित्र गंगा की बहती धारा, ऐसा है उत्तराखंड हमारा। सुंदर हिमालय खड़ा यहाँ पर, सुंदर हिमालय खड़ा यहाँ पर, सुंदर जन्नत का उत्तरांचल हमारा, सुंदर जन्नत का उत्तरांचल हमारा।
Today I am honored to speak about Uttarakhand Foundation Day, celebrated on 9th of every year. On this day in 2000, Uttarakhand became the 27th state of India after being separated from Uttar Pradesh.
On November 9, 2000, the state of Uttarakhand, the 27th state of India, was carved out of Uttar Pradesh.
Deer. I am state animal of Uttarakhand. I am adopted as the state animal of Uttarakhand in 2001.
Today, as we gather to celebrate Uttarakhand Foundation Day, let us pay homage to this beautiful land, often referred as the Devbhumi or the land of gods.
I am Brahm Kamal. Mythical and religions, scientific and Hindus.
Some special facts about the state of Uttarakhand are: the state flower of Uttarakhand, Brahma Kamal; the state animal of Uttarakhand, musk deer; state logo of Uttarakhand, diamond-shaped logo with white background and blue edges. There are total 13 districts in Uttarakhand.
I am Brahma Kamal. Brahma Kamal is the state flower of Uttarakhand. I am native to Himalayas at the altitude of 3,700 to 4,600.
I am Brahm Kamal. I found in Bhutan, Nepal and southwest China. I visible in trees from July to September. I known as beauty and unique flower.
This is dole that is mainly used in India. Dole is a traditional musical instrument. It has two drum heads and a wooden body. The two sides of the dole are fitted well onto a frame.
I am pumpkin. Pumpkin originate North America. I am representing the national sweet of Uttarakhand known as Valentine. It is eaten in Uttarakhand but mostly eaten in Kumaon region of Uttarakhand. It is made up of 3 ingredients: khoya, ghee and sugar balls.
I am Golden Magic. My scientific name is Tor Potilora.
I am going to present some speech on a part of Uttarakhand, Nainital. Nainital is one of the most beautiful and hot tourist destination of Uttarakhand.
Today I am presenting a speech on a part of Uttarakhand, Kedarnath. Kedarnath is a town and Nagar Panchayat in Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand, India, known primarily for the Kedarnath temple.
The Kedarnath temple is situated in the Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand, on the banks of Mandakini river and at the altitude of 3,586 meters. Significance: the Kedarnath temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the holiest Hindu shrines of Shiva.
Ori is a most beautiful tourist place. It is also known as Thodyarni Garhwali, which means meadow. Ori is located in Jamui district in Uttarakhand's northern region.
The Kedarnath temple is one of the most important pilgrimage sites in India. It is located in Rudraprayag.
Article on the Padangavneshwar. Padangavneshwar, which literally means the subterranean shrine of Lord Shiva.
Ori Garhwal is a district of Uttarakhand, located partly in the Gangetic Plain and partly in the northern Himalayas. Ori Garhwal district encompasses an area of 5,2800 square kilometers.
Everybody, myself Ridhima Mittal from class 8. Today the students of class 8 have performed an activity of stone painting on the occasion of Uttarakhand Divas with different districts and districts with different colors with cultural diversity. Thank you.